Yes, Dilip Fadte, US भितर ज्युनियर ओपन स्क्वॉश चॅम्पियनशीप जिखून आयला. हांव तेजे मनपूर्वक गोंयचे वतीन आनी देशाचे वतीन हांव तेजें अभिनंदन करतां. आनी तो असोच फुडें सरचो आनी बऱ्यांतले बरो खेळून आनी अशेंच देशान आनी वर्ल्डान नांव दवरचें अशें हांव तेका शुभेच्छा दितां. तेजे वयल्यान तेजे आवय बापायक त्यांचें हांव अभिनंदन करतां.
We are all excited. I never expected he will win one of the topmost tournament in the world, and Taka's only because of his hard work, traveling, training in Bombay last 5 months. He was not there in the college. 4.5 months he was serving the duty. He won the nationals. He represented the country. He got the medals. But only because of his hard work, he was able to achieve this title. And looking forward more and more titles for the India. Since I'm playing for Goa, definitely, like people like now he's in US, a lot of universities are after him. There are universities in India also after him. But I don't want to leave Goa and go anywhere, because Goa is a beautiful place for everything. Whatever, whether I am not, after money or to get sponsorship from Goa, and I am only for, I want to play. He has to play for India. That's it, nothing else. Request, Chief Minister also, please look into this, because more and more people wants to come down to Goa and play. He has lot of ideas which I was listening to him, that youngsters should be promoted and all that. But it is that ground reality is not happening. That's I think I expect from Chief Minister that ground reality we should see, and definitely he can do wonders for Goa, because I come from Baina. I have seen. I was a great follower of Parikar for simple reason. They have demolished that Baina, and I was expected to do well in other fields also. I expect something good to happen from him, but that's it.